Hello everyone, my name is Krishi Agrawal and my roll number is 20MI10026. Today I have made a program for the assignment 4, which is the Arduino Motor Shield Proteus 8 demonstration, and this is the main program of the or the code of the motor, which I am going to show now. The first is the pin mode 12 comma output, which is actually the input pin. It is set to high because so as to run the motor clockwise. If it would have been set to low, then the motor would run in the anti-clockwise direction. Similarly, here the pin mode 8 comma output statement is used for the brake, and it is set to low so as to disable the brake, and thus the brake does not get engaged. Next is the pin mode 6, output statement, which actually sends the PWM signal to the motor, and it is connected to the ENA motor or the motor A. And lastly, the statement analog write 6, PWM is the signal through which we send the PWM value to the ENA motor or the input motor. So this is the program. We have compiled the program successfully, as you can see. Now let's go to the schematic capture. So here we will now run the program. So you can see it will start in a file. So it has started, you can see. Now the motor starts to turn gradually. It is gaining speed now. Gradually it will gain its speed. It's increasing, you can see. It will take a few moments to go to its maximum value or the steady state value. You can see it's moving in the clockwise direction. Now as you can see, the steady state RPM for this is 35. For different values of PWM signal, we will get different values of PW RPM. And so that is all for the first part. Thank you. Hello, this is the second part of my assignment, which is a program which I have written in Node-RED. For installing the Node-RED, first I have installed Node.js, and then similarly I've written all this to install the Node-RED. After that, after I have used two sliders which are connected to a gauge and a bar chart respectively. In this gauge, we have set the maximum to 100, and then we have defined different sectors of the water level which is to be done. And now and then in the gas pressure bar chart, we have also set a max of 40 limit of the bar chart, and then renamed uh, certain sliders and different components as water level controller, water level and gas pressure controller, and gas pressure bar. Then we have deployed all of them, and then we'll go to the graphical representation of it. So here you can see the water level and the gas pressure controller, and the water level controller. Now for the gas pressure controller, first we'll see. So you can see that it's increasing and decreasing as we move the slider across the bar. And as for the water level, you can see that up to 30 it's of one color, up to 60 of another, and up to after 60 it's of another color. So we can see that all these things can also be viewed on a mobile phone by connecting with the computer's proxy network and IP address. That's all.